你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 11. There are 7 compound strokes, which all begin with the basic stroke shù. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the first 3 ones and 6 new characters. Well, let's get started. This compound stroke is 竖折. It begins with the basic stroke 竖, then goes right with almost a 90-degree turn, which is called 折. We already know that 折 indicates a change in stroke direction, usually with a 90-degree turn, going down or going right. 折 never occurs alone, but must be paired with at least one other stroke, forming a compound stroke. We saw this 折 already many times in our previous lessons. Let's look at 2 characters which have this 竖折. This character is shan. Shan. Its ancient written form just looks like mountain. The current version keeps the basic shape and still represents mountain or hill. Let's look at some examples with the character shan. The first word is very interesting. 火山, 火山. 火 means fire. Shan is mountain. Fire, mountain. A mountain that can produce fire is volcano. 火山, volcano. 爬山. 爬 means to climb. So 爬山 means to climb a mountain. Here is a sentence. 我们明天爬哪个山? 我们明天爬哪个山? 我们 means we. 明天 we know is tomorrow. 爬 to climb. 哪 is a question word. We just learned it in the previous lesson. It means which. 个 is the match word. 山 mountain. 哪个山 which mountain. The literal translation is we tomorrow climb which mountain. Which mountain do we climb tomorrow? 我们明天爬哪个山? Next one. 山上. 山上 means on the mountain or on top of the mountain. 山下. 山下 means at the foot of the mountain. Here is a sentence. 山上风太大. 山上风太大. 山上 on the mountain. 风 wind. 太 means too. 大 means big or large. The later translation is on the mountain, wind too big. The real meaning is the wind on the mountain is too strong. Here is the correct stroke order of shan. Write the shu in the middle first. Then the new compound stroke 竖折 and the shu on the right. 3 strokes in total. One more time. 竖, 竖折, 竖, 山, mountain or hill. This character is. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.